Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to change your age in Brawl Stars. So as of now, there's really no way that you can change your age in the Brawl Stars app directly. So what you have to do now is go to their support page. So open up your web browser on your PC or on your phone and then just search up for Brawl Stars support and then just click on the first link that will pop up. And then what you want to do now is just log in your ID. And then once you're done logging in your ID for Supercell, all you have to do is scroll down until you see troubleshooting. And then just click on this that says how to contact us. And then you will see right here a contact form. So just click on that. Moving on, right now all you have to do is just fill out these details right here. So select category, just click on something else, and then just input your player tag or account name, and then your email address. And then what you want to do now is just type your message right here. So for example, let's type in the message, I have accidentally inputted my age wrong. Can you help me by changing my age? And then just input your original age. So my age is, and then just input your age right there. And then once you're done with that, just click on I am human and then just answer this. And then once you're done answering the CAPTCHA, all you have to do is just click on submit and then wait for Supercell to reply to your email. So that is pretty much it on how to change your age in Brawl Stars.